Hello friends! Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Here, you'll learn how to shift your mindset, manage your money, and improve your life. Don't miss out on powerful videos that can open your eyes. Now, let me be brutally honest. You are poor not because of fate. You are not poor because God deliberately blocked your fortune. You are poor because every single day you choose to stay in that position. You choose to waste your time. You choose not to move. Be honest with yourself. How many hours do you spend scrolling on social media every day? From morning till night, you swipe your phone, watching funny clips, gossip, drama, or other people's perfect lives. People who are rich, successful, and happy. But after all that scrolling, what actually changes in your life? Almost nothing. What you gain is more insecurity, more envy, more stress. Meanwhile, time keeps ticking, your savings stay the same. Your bills keep coming every month, prices keep rising. And you still hope for a miracle to come? Friends, your destiny will never change unless you change. Now picture this. Someone out there has the exact same tools you have. A smartphone, an internet connection, and the same 24 hours. But they choose to spend their time selling online, creating content, learning new skills, taking courses, or finding side hustles. The result? Within months, they have extra income. A year later, they're saving, investing, even supporting their family. Meanwhile, you keep saying, maybe later when I have capital. But here's the truth. Your capital is already in your hands. Your time, your phone, and your willpower. Another example. Someone earns an average salary, but they discipline themselves to save $35 every month for savings and investments. It starts small, but 5 years later, their savings grow into thousands of dollars. They now have an emergency fund, they can seize business opportunities, and they're financially secure. Meanwhile, another person with the exact same salary spends every paycheck on eating out, the newest gadgets, expensive skincare, and things they don't even need. 5 years later, they're still living paycheck to paycheck. When emergencies hit, they panic. When opportunities come, they have no money to grab them. The difference is not in the salary, it's in the choices. So here's the question. Do you want to stay stuck in the same cycle, or do you want to start moving? If you say, I don't know where to start, okay, here are some practical financial solutions you can start right now. 1. Limit your social media time. Max 1 hour a day for entertainment. Use the rest to learn income-generating skills like design, copywriting, video editing, or content creation. 2. Start a small online business. You can become a reseller, dropshipper, or sell digital products. You don't need huge capital. What you need is commitment and consistency. 3. Track your daily expenses. You'll be shocked at how much money leaks away on coffee, snacks, or online shopping. Cut it down and redirect that money into savings or investments. 4. Build an emergency fund. At least 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses. With this, you won't panic when unexpected problems hit. Start investing early. Mutual funds, gold, or stocks, even with a small amount. Don't wait until you're rich to invest. You invest to become rich. 6. Build a productive mindset. Instead of saying, I can't do it, ask, how can I do it? With that mindset, your brain starts searching for solutions, not excuses. Remember this, friends. If you stay still, 5 years from now, you'll be in the exact same place. But if you start moving now, 5 years later, you might already be financially free. Life is all about choices. Do you want to waste your time lying around? Or work hard now so you can relax later? Do you want to stay as a spectator, admiring other people's success? Or do you want to be the player who creates your own success story? Don't blame fate. Don't blame your parents. Don't blame your environment. Because the only person who can change your life is you. Starting today, decide on one small step. Maybe open a business account, create your first piece of content, save 1.5, or read a financial book. Do it every day, consistently, with no excuses. Big changes always start with small steps. And remember this, money never disappears, it only moves. From the lazy to the hardworking, from the spenders to the savers, from those who lie down to those who take action. The question is, which side do you want to be on? Alright, if this video gave you something valuable, don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss the next financial tips. Comment below about the small step you're starting today. See you in the next video. And remember, your future is in your hands, not your fate.